Chapter 5 Quadratic Equations. Kum tenga kha mark liya ki pata mark sahi ki ka kha pai gi ge hi. To hai quadratic equation hi chang kha algebraic expression te ma hedi in chin a variable kha x hiam ai ke le y ile hai te pena kha variable te kha akibat ngai ta ki bang di in chin a constant te chu u tu thidi ha ya a b c hai teng kha constant hi te di constant hi cha number te 1 2 3 chi te ha a b c te tang kha u tu thongom thei hilele a value pen kha 0 hi the nei lo a pen 0 hi mok le kha quadratic hi thei lo di quadratic chi chang kha hia ya highest degree pen kha 2 hi chang quadratic equation ki che ha highest degree pen kha 4 khong hi le quadratic hi thei lo di hoi je ka highest pen kha 2 aum di hoi je chang kha power 1 hoi je constant hai pen kha a general formula of quadratic equation ahi achile hai quadratic equation in kha power 2 ani je ka kha roots ni nei di roots chi chang kha values x value kha ni om thei chi na ni om te te di bang chida nai chi le example de kha x value in kha chini om din chin hoi te find thi azong khyak thi na di kha number 1 na kha factorization method number 2 completing perfect square roots of a quadratic equation khai jong dek chang kha factorization method ai kele completing perfect square method hetigel kha zathei factorization method chi chang kha splitting the middle term hai to kibang class 8 te standard a splitting the middle term hai to kibang hi why zo completing perfect square pen chu perfect square bol ngai te te why ki pata kha a value x value te kha jong khyak de ama sa pena kha e de hi le factorization method completing the splitting the middle term example bangza yam ende factorization method factorize I can find the roots of 12x square minus 7x plus 1 by using factorization method hon chi lekha splitting the middle term kha zat ti hi why ai hi dek chang kha thei gi ge de haya square pen kha square ni number pen kha haya a first term agel pa di why is a constant pen a last agel te te di hi chilowa arrange ngayam le haida na kha arrange gi ge di square di why is a square low a variable a power 1 the why is a constant why is equal to ha au to 0 le an pe the au le number au to thon pe the hai kha solve di solve le changa hi didan kha ho pen pe na kha hiya a number thing la diu china hai a middle term pe kha split di why is a middle term pen gel non lo di hi chin ko un la hiya a last sign kha ya bagel gi ge leo chen y zo plus 1 equal to 0 hi cha kha hi le hi khel chiom ngi lo to y teng na hi zo chang wa kha a second rule kha ya x square ma number le y pen to ya constant pen kha multiply de hai 12 to 1 multiply leo chin 12 1 is 12 hai 12 pen kha hai muna on prime factorize diu china hai teng kha group ni na so dio hai group ni na so penu kha hai mu na non gel dio hai non gel chang wa na plus chang kha 7 na mu te te dio achile hai bang chi group so thai chi le ya 2 2 are 4 hai ti gel multiply hi leng 4 ki mu in chin hoi zo ya 3 ana achile hai ti gel plus leng 7 a so thai chi le 4 plus 3 kha 7 ha 7 ana chet hoi je ka hai ti gel kha hai mu na koi ge le chen alai pen splitting the middle term ki chi chang kha yai alai pen kha 4 to 3 ang ki split ge yu achile yai zo chang kha 12x square minus 4 ya bracket pen mal open tadi 4 ya x 4x why so minus into plus kha minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 ichi muta achile to kha hi te kha li na mu zo cha kha ni nia group de ni nia non group de un chin hi te ge la common na zong dio why so hi te ge la le common zong de hele anuam icha common ba zong se hi te ge la banga chi the hak na sakwa le kha hi ya common tom de na ging tang na pen penu hi te ge la bang 4 to 12 in chen 2 in le divide he 4 in le divide he sa number tam zo lai le bang a common depend highest common depend kha zong hak sadi why se sa kha ya tigel na u jok na nau anop jok na depend pen kha tel di why ap ki pata kha a common zong khedi achele he tigel abang chu common di kha omlo to ki bang hi cha common a omlo changa kha he assign pen ma laun la he 1 lagi le leu chen 1 kha common de lak thei ge 3x plus 1 ya minus om chang kha hi bracket sunga pen kha opposite sign ana ki hing ge de minus 1 hai kha arul ta tak chui lo hilele a hi nop de ya anung lama pan leu chen le ki bang amai lama pan leu chen le ki bang de hi tuna hi pen kha ya bracket sunga na mu penu kha ya an mai lama bagel non de 3x minus 1 ya bracket sunga ti gel kha ki bat te te de achile ya first term to ya first term kha divide de 3 bangza 12 ai chile 3 4 are 12 ya aval chet te ya gel ge de ya x niom in chen ya x khatom achile x khat poimo lai ai pen ya gel de hi che hi le kha kina kha quadratic equation te kha ki solve thei ya pena 4 la pa leu chen le thei hi le number ta tamana hi le kha na buai kha kwa le ya a common tom na dilam lama kha 1 lagi ge de wai chang kha ya a common ha bracket sunga ki bang de tikel kha ki mu pa de he tuna ya tikel kha 3x minus 1 ya khatan gel ta de bracket sunga ki bang tikel wai zo a ki bang lo ya aval tikel he common analog zia ka kha he aval tikel kha bracket sunga ngom thei ta de hele equal to 0 to solve fon che chang kha i solve dek zia ka kha x value te jong khyang ngai bang che jong khyang de chi le either 3x minus 1 equal to 0 ya ki pata x value jong khedi or 4x minus 1 equal to 0 tun ya ki patina x value jong kheleng x equal to minus 1 ya plus 1 ya into ya divide x kha 1 by 3 ong swak di ya lama pen le x value direct ka jong khia ile chin minus 1 pen kha ya plus wak de x akala multiply direct ka divide le chen hele x value kha ni ongom bangja ka x value ni ki muai chile ya power a square ani jak wai jaka kha value ni ne therefore x value kha 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 ideal kha a value of x quadratic equation roots zong di dan kha ama sa pena factorization ki zo in chen tua ani na completing perfect square method ai kele hindu method or Sridharacharya's method ki che hi ya ama sa pena kha splitting the middle term khen changa kha number teng kha a middle term te split thei lo hochi hun changa kha yai perfect square method le zat thei waya hi didan kha ama saina a formula a hi didan ya a general formula zanga en masaleng equation kha solve the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by the method of completing perfect square yai pen a kha x value kha ni omde ytegel kha completing perfect square method ta kha zongde maya amasa kha equation en leuchin equation ong ki pe pen kha bx plus c equal to 0 ya yai pen a kha perfect square khat leom lo bangchira perfect square so adiai chi le yai cho square perfect square hita first term pen chau kha perfect square saksom de hilele hai equation te hi mi ma kha number u dan a be lap thailo ya khat na be lap dekle avek sip sipa kha na be lap ngai de khata na multiply dekle avek sip sipa na multiply di na divide le aveka both sides ana divide di achele ya kha perfect square imu theina dia bang hi de ai chi le hiai e khat poimo lai why zo one sang a perfect square tom zo zek pen kha 2 square kha 4 why ze ka why number zanga kha hiai teng multiply di achi le a hi dinang kha multiplying both sides by 4a have both sides of the equation by 4a ani talk about multiply di hi le kha 4a in kha hiai multiply le a ni ongom di x to x square 4a square x square y zo ale 4a to multiply lai leo chin 4abx plus 4ac equal to 0 to 4a multiply leo chin 0 ma ki mode to hai kha a first step hi de to kha perfect square muta perfect square na mu zo changuna hai pen kha abang a square te gel la ta de 4 kha bang square ai chi le square root of 4 kha 2 a square le khat pen la di x square khat pen la di ya holding square so ak sak de yai completing perfect square method tia kha na thei izat gi ge dewa formula poimo kha ya a plus b whole square ai formula kha a square plus 2ab plus b square ai ke le hai ti gel khat jok jok kha azat diom te te de chile ha minus som che minus de ile ha question kha plus ve kom le minus pen zat ngai lo plus pen zat de a chile to kha ya pen kha izat ngai te te bang che zat de chile ha a first term kha a square chile ha teng teng kha a square ong swak ta di y zo plus twice ab y ze ka hiai pen kha hoya twice ab dan kha iswa som de plus 2 ita twice pen hegel de y zo hiai abang khat a formula kha 2 a b che chang a de kha hiai a first term pen ya 2a x pen la de achile hiai tan kha a hi ta zo ta a b di pen kha ya na koi ya atunga a equation tunga kha he ting ni multiply chang a valom lai teng kha ya b mun de gel de achile 2 2s are 4 ya a le hwa x le hwa yai kha hiai swak a achile ya khanai lo pen kha b pen khanai lo y pen kha ya b value de ya ba koi de achi le kha to a square plus 2ab hita why a formula kha plus b square je ka kha y pen ya gel so ngai hiai b pen kha ya b square ba be lap de hiai b square pen kha atung equation pen kha hi cha ki solve su kya hilele hiai b square pen kha a equation ma sapena na khalo hi cha i be lap tom te plus ana be lap le kha a opposite sign minus to na wala khom te te ngai na la khom chang kha atung pen ki mu thei de be lap tom te kha kathiak di to gel khom te te ngai hai ti gel hai ki be lap y zo ya atunga khatom lai 4ac munta achele to hai teng kha plus b square hai tan hai formula swakta achele y a formula teng teng ya a square plus 2ac plus b square teng teng kha a plus b holding square hai pen swak thei de achele to ya next step kha hai tan tuam koi de hai pen a swak de ya last term pen b swak de achile a plus b whole square hai teng teng kha yang swak de y zo hai lama number teng teng kha y equal to right side kha va transfer de minus b transfer le plus b square plus 4ac y lama transfer le chin minus 4ac swakta achile to kha hai square pen le alang khat lama transfer non de twice ax plus b wala ma ba transfer le chin kha root over hi hilele hai kha quadratic equation ai jaga kha square I transfer changa kha plus minus sign ni ani te nga value ni te di ni jaga anchele plus minus b square ita to a next step a kha hi non de kha x value work solve hon chi cha x variable te value zong de hi jaga kha ya variable ong pe kha x pin work ko som de adang te kha olo la hwai lama transfer de next na 2ax equal to plus b transfer put de minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac hita achele to x work chau koi le chen ha ya x work chau na koi le kha twice a pen kha multiply here wala mai transfer cha divide hong swal din chen minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a hai hong swak de actually x value kha hai hong swak ta hele en kha equation a kha ya quadratic equation square om je ka x value ni om de ki chisa actually a value di kha ya ni a split thai ai kha bang chi split di ai che le that is x equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a ya plus pen kha tuam lak thai and x ma value kha minus b square minus 4ac by 2a hai tigel kha x value hi thai ale direct ana hi noble a roots te hai value te kha x value se sang ana gel noble there is alpha a first root de alpha bang nalak le plus b square minus 4ac by twice le chi the a second root a second value de pen kha beta lak thein chin hai beta value de kha minus b square minus 4ac by twice a ya completing perfect square pena kha hi changa hi tan ki mu thai why ki pata kha ya roots te direct ana jong khyang nople hai formula direct apply thai hai formula direct ana apply le hai pen kha quadratic formula le ki chide quadratic formula hai tan kha completing perfect square method ta hi thai hi dena completing perfect square formula la khyak dan kizil hinchen to kha application yai solve 12x square minus 17x plus 6 equal to 0 kha completing perfect square kha a value jong khyak som de direct formula pen kha quadratic formula ya hilele hwayon sol nai lo completing perfect square olola izong dana kha yai jong khyak som de amasa kha yet de haya a equation hong ki pe pen kha yai a first term x square maum pen perfect square here perfect square lo chi identify masadi a rule number 1 kha wai de perfect square hi le dana hi dan dana kha direct holding square cha hi thai hilele haya 12 hong ki pe an chin hai pen kha perfect square hi lo a easy method pen hian kha ten chu haya 12 ki pata perfect square amu matan multiply thai hile hwai se sanga kha hucha multiply ya bajong se sanga a easy method pen kha ya x square ma number pen kha kat mang som ge de perfect square hi ke le divide hi ge de bang chi hi thai chi le dividing both sides by ya 12 x square mau mi changa hai 12 pin bakat mangi di changa kha 12 ba divide ge di achile bangki mudi ai chile 12x square by 12 minus 17 by 12 plus 6 by 12 equal to 0 chi chỉ để tua kha ya cắt thị tình bàn cắt đi ngoài số ya thì kia le 1/2 kimuta to ya zo x square minus 17 by 12x plus 1/2 equal to 0 to ya kha perfect square mu na didana kha a square ya minus le twice ab plus b square chi te ya mu som ta de perfect square method hi ja ka kha achile x square ya kha perfect square hian minus twice a value de kha hi value ma ya lak de twice a achile b value di bang chi mu de hi ya ki pata kha hi value mu ngai 2 to x somta achile hi ya number hong ki gel di teng i multiply vek changa 17/12 mu ngai achile equation tungla ma kha 17 om kha ya equation ma sapena 17 om kha n ha 2 ki mu 2 ki pada 17 ki mu thei ngei lo wa ja ka kha direct ka 17 gel ge de achile hi 2 pen kha zat na be tungla ma om lo de ja ka anwai la ma to ikat ngai hi chaom chiang kha hiai anwai pen to hiai anwai to hi 2 pen multiply gi lejen 12 2s are 24 ya non lag de hi le kha hiai teng na solve chiang a he tung pen mu de en lejen 2 to 24 ikat le 17x/12 hai ki mu wa je ka hiai a ki pata kha hiai aswa te ri u to lag de hello achile to x square minus twice ab muta y zo a formula kha hai imu so ngai minus som ja ka ha minus penila ngai a square minus twice ab plus b square to hai tan muta x square minus twice ab heta plus gel di china ya b dia kha koi tenga na lag di chi le ya n le chen hai 2 ya a dia hai tan kila b dia kha he aval teng 17/24 hai pen kha biong swang de hilewa pen kha b square je ka ya b square ya ibe lap tom pen kha minus sign ma le be lap de 17/24 square hoi zo ya avalom pen 1/2 equal to 0 to hai teng na mu zo chang wa kha ya a square minus twice ab plus b square ki chi teng kha a minus b whole square y dan so asom de bang chi di chi le x minus 17/24 whole square hi teng kha hi yong swak ta aval teng hoi lama transfer phei non de minus hoi lama transfer le chen plus swak dia hi plus hoi lama transfer le chen minus 1/2 hong swak de to ale x value izong khyak di x value na zong khyak de je ka kha adang teng kha hoi lama transfer som de x minus 17/24 equal to 17 square 289 here 24 square kha 576 minus 1/2 chi muta ya lam kha na solve lai dio 17/24 square equal to helama LCM la leng hai tu in hai divide hai ja ka kha hai 576 ka LCM hi de 289 minus hai to 2 to 576 i divide le 288 ki muta hai aban solve lai leng 289 minus 288 kha 1/576 to hai square pen kha hai lama transfer non de square pen ni transfer chang kha square root hong swak ta din chin y koma kha plus minus sign value hon la non de 576 to x minus 17/24 equal to hai square root ya hai ti gel kha perfect square 1 kha 1 square ma chile 576 kha dena multiply na kha 24 to 24 in multiply na 576 ki mu wa jaga 24 square chi na 1 by 24 a chile to kha ya x work koi di hanga ya pen hala ma transfer leng y ba na solve leng kha x value ki mu mai de x equal to plus minus 1 by 24 yai y lama transfer le chin kha plus 17 by 24 swakta achile here x value kha ni au ngai te a first na plus value la de hanga a second na minus value la leng kha x roots te gel khang pot mai de ai bana x equal to plus value on la leng 1 by 24 plus 17 by 24 and ix value khat pen dikha minus 1 by 24 plus 17 by 24 yaite gel solve len kha x value x roots te khang ki mu kheta de LCM dikha 24 ma ya 1 plus 17 and x value yalama 24 minus 1 plus 17 I solve sukle 4 and 16 by 24 6 3s are 18 6 4s are 24 4 4s are 16 4 6 are 24 actually therefore x value ha 3 by 4 and 2 by 3 yai completing perfect square method na zong chang kha ya value ni ai ti gelom ki mu kheta de pathai ma roots te zong de dan kha I thei na dia a nature te thei masak nga ya hi hoi jaka quadratic equation te hi a general formula da na kha express hom de example 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0 bangine a value dia kha 4 lang mai de b value dia kha 3 c value dia kha 7 icha lag de hile y ki pata kha discriminant hong poimo non de hai discriminant value na thei wale a nature of the roots teng kha no ma thei di ha he tuna discriminant kha b square minus 4ac ki chen ya b square pen kha a second term lag de minus 4ac a pen first term c pen kha a constant term hi janga kha a nature of the roots thei di dan ya case thum homa first case kha b square minus 4ac greater than 0 ya discriminant value pen ya hon jong khele chin kha hai teng non jong khyak changa kha a value kha 0 sanga tamzo wai jo positive number aya b square minus 4ac jong di china hwaya 7 chi khong na mu ale kha 0 sanga tamzo in chin a nature de kha two real and distinct roots le lai ni ki equal lo diu chi tom tuak achile ha le kha case ni hongom son non b square minus 4ac pen kha perfect square na mu ngi le like 4 ai ke le 49 25 chi khong perfect square chi te na mu ngi le kha a roots te kha rational number hidi in chen why zo changa b square minus 4ac ma na lak changa not perfect square hello 3 chi khong ai ke le 7 chi te na mu ngi le kha a roots te kha irrational hidi to bana case 2 na b square minus 4ac hai pen 0 chat ya a value di te zong di china 0 na ba mu chat le kha a nature kha real and equal roots a nature te gel ki bang chat di 4 khat na mu le a khat pen le 4 hidi real roots hidi in chen hwa zo a roots te gel kha ki bang di hwa zo case 3 na pen kha b square minus 4ac less than 0 hai kha negative hidi hai pen kha b square minus 4ac greater than 0 kha positive number hi de ya b square minus 4ac na zong chang a negative number na mu nge le kha a nature kha no real roots hi de real roots khat leom lo de to nature of the roots zanga kha bang chi zong di hai dana igel te discriminant te loi zanga kha ya ki pata real roots di ya ke le not real ai ke le equal roots chi di te kha ya ki pata ya question thumong ki pya ya ki pata a nature di zong khia hon che jakina aya zong di dan kha a farce pen penai thei di kha hia ya equation hong ki pya te a b c ya value zong khe di hoi ki pata b square minus 4ac hoi pen la khia di dan ngai to di a farce dina a value de kha x square maum pen a value hi sak di 9 a second ya a variable te khan lag lo di x te loi kha lag lo di x square ma 9 pen kha a value hi di x ma cha ta pen kha b value hi di minus om le minus to gel te te di why zo c value kha 1 to hai tengna de na lag zo chang wa kha b square minus 4ac la ta de now b square minus 4ac equal to ya b value de kha minus 6 kila square minus 4 a value 9 into 1 actually 36 power kha even number is ka kha minus pen mangdi 4 9s are 36 into 1 36 actually hetically minus le 0 then nature of the roots e na kha b square minus 4ac kha 0 to a ki equal cha to le kha a nature of the roots di kha real and equal roots therefore the nature of the roots are real and equal ya ide abana roman number 2 na x square plus x plus 2 here ki pata le a b c value dikha ila khyang ai no a value dikha x square ma pen 1 b value di x ma a coefficient pen 1 c value dikha aya 2 chi le b square minus 4ac ma zong ai non b square dia kha 1 ma jang di minus 4 a value di 1 ma c value di kha aya 2 chele hai kha solve length 1 minus 8 actually 1 minus 8 kha minus 7 actually hai pen why the nature of the roots te la kha b square minus 4ac value kha negative or less than 0 hi ngi lekha the roots are not real here therefore the roots lekha less than 0 the roots are not real a roots dekha real number hi lo de imaginary number ngen ki mu thei de why je ka hi value ki pata ya b square minus 4ac jong khe di china why ki pata kha a roots dekha a nature dekha less than 0 hi ngi wale real lo hi de to na nature of the roots akipat ma ya value of p a value zong di dan to hi de ya why dena hi dan maina a value b value chi te kha ya a equation hong ki pya ki pata la khyang non de a value de kha ya here a value de bang teng lag de ai chile x square low pen ya aman number o ja jam le kha hwai teng kha a value hi de a value de kha 3p idin chin b value de minus 12p minus 12 x ma cha taum pen minus 12 cha oi jo c value de kha p la ngai ha pen kha constant hi de ya p value kha izong khyak de hi hilele ha condition kha thong ki pyao min chen hwai pen kha bangai chi le has equal roots hiai are roots te gel in kha ki bang nei de equal roots real di un chen hwa jo changa ki equal di a chi le hwa ya case thum I thei te kha bangai chi le b square minus 4ac te loi kha equal to 0 a hi changa kha equal roots a chi le we have b square minus 4ac equal to 0 a hi ngai te since the roots are equal a chi le b value de kha minus 12 ladi a value de kha 3p c value de kha p khat lata to kha yai solve leng kha p value ang ki mu khedi 12 square 144 ya even number is a minus sign mangdi 4 3s are 12 p square equal to 0 to yai solve leng kha p value ang ki mu kheta di 144 in kha y lama transfer pa dia 12p square equal to 144 y lama transfer le chen minus 144 minus to minus cut the ya direct ina integral cut leng kha 12 achi le p square value kha 12 ita hilele hi square root pen kha y lama square pen hi lama transfer ngai transfer le chen p equal to plus minus root over 12 here na number gel teu kha root sunga number na gel changwa composite number hi lekha prime factorize di waya ki pata kha a square root pen kha ning kha simplify the de 12 ya 2 6 2 3 achile ya 12 pen kha 2 into 2 into 3 ya swak thei ya na pair thei teu kha root polama khatdan in gel leu chen le p equal to plus minus 2 root 3 hai kha p value swak mai de hi toi non dio relation between roots and coefficients of quadratic equations waya a roots te gel kha alpha to beta bang hitale ya quadratic equation in root nyon nei di ya why root te gel alpha to beta hitale waya a roots te gel plus chianga kha minus b by a mu som de why kha a first question hidia a second question ai mu non diu kha alpha to beta a roots te gel multiply le c by a imu som de actually a first na kha alpha plus beta hidi in chen hai pen kha sum of the roots le chi thei a roots te gel ki plus why ki pata kha minus b by a bang chi mu de ai chi le I thei sa u roots te gel kha why a quadratic formula a banga I chi le alpha value kha alpha is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a hai kha first root of the quadratic equation here in chen a second root pen kha beta is equal to minus b square minus 4ac by 2a hai te gel kha the two roots of ax square plus ichina kun gel dia the two roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 r hai te gel kha a roots te gel actually here question number 1 in on dot kha alpha plus beta pen minus b by a so hon che actually bang che so de ai che le ya ama hon sol dan dana alpha plus beta la di china alpha value ya a value hai pen substitute the plus ha beta value pen hai te gel kha plus le chin ya minus b by a kham ki mude minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a plus ya plus om jega ya plus om di ya beta pen kha ya value a substitute ta de plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a to hai ti gel kha I plus de fraction hi khai ja kwa kha LCM ila ngai ile LCM la ngai se lo ya anwai ti gel ki bat nak le ha pen kha LCM de lak ge de 2a hai a denominator te ki bat nak le atung lam te le dare ka kha copy thei minus b plus b square minus 4ac ha zo here plus to minus aki gel khom changa kha minus in zo de waja minus b square minus 4ac to hai ten muta ya atunga aki gel tenga kha like terms te zong de minus b hele minus b assign với cái bật giờ cả cắt thấy lâu hele he b square minus 4ac hele b square minus 4ac chất cái bằng khát pen plus sign khát pen minus sign હોય giờ cả avec sip sip kha cắt mang thấy to he like terms sign tele cái bằng હોય giờ cả he tigel kha minus đi amau 1 hele 1 હોય giờ cả a number 10 kha na sum diu hele assign pen kha minus sign ma swak di 1 plus 1 kha 2 b by 2a achile he ya 2 to 2 kha kat mang thei hele equal to minus b by a he ya question on solve pen find the sum of the roots or prove that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a he ya on solve pen kha he ya minus b by a ki muta he pen kha sum of the roots equal to minus b by a or coefficient of b pen kha bang coefficient ai chi lekha x minus coefficient of x by a pen kha bang coefficient ai chi le x square ma number on pen hoi jaga coefficient of x square yai value te gel alpha value to beta value yai pen kha theile chen yai noma proof thai de achile abana roman number 2 le en zom ngal de roman number 2 alpha into beta equal to c by a etikel ke kala multiply alpha into beta kelela product of the roots I value kha c by a mu de ithaisa the two roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c hetigela roots tegel kha alpha to beta hi changa alpha value kha minus b plus b square ya plus ide beta pe na ya minus jangi le to a question yon dot pen kha alpha into beta moi je ka en le alpha into beta la di hanga a value to active substitute de alpha value kha y teng minus b square 4ac by 2a akala multiply je ka en le multiply ko ide ya beta value pen minus b square minus 4ac by 2a I think lata to kha multiply fraction te multiply dek changa kha atung tegel multiply di anwai tegel multiply di achi le ya anwai tegel multiply leng kha 2 2s are 4 a to a multiply le chin a square atung pen kha hia tegel ki bang mai zo anung tegel ki bang ilele assign u alai la kaum penen leo chin khat plus in chin khat minus achile hiya ya kha ba multiply zoi ngai lo a formula khat zat thei ai formula pen bangai chi le a plus b a minus b ai formula kha a square minus b square ai swak thei wai ja ka en le hiya ya question ya I multiply di tegel kha hiya so asom de a de kha minus b la de b de kha b root over b square minus 4ac hetigel la leng kha a square minus b square ki mu thei de chile a dia hiya la ta wai zo minus b dia b square minus 4ac holding square ya muta achile hiya square to hiya square root kha cut thei in chen cut de wai zo changa minus b holding square kha hiya minus pen hiya a power pen kha even number is ka minus pen ong mang ta de wai zo changa minus b square minus 4ac bracket hong nai ke dai cha koi phot dia 4a square hiya zo ya bracket pen hong le chen b square minus b square idin chen minus into minus kha plus 4ac divided by 4a square to hai na mu zo changa kha b square to b square kha like terms le opposite sign kat mang thei wai zo plus 4ac by avalteng 4a square hile ya 4 to 4 le kat thei ya a niomin chen ya a khatom ya a ni la ka khat kat khile chen a khat wal de aya a to ya a khat kat le chen hi le c by a hi le kha the question on dot pen prove that alpha into beta equal to c by a ha chi pen kha n ha ya ki muta therefore alpha into beta equal to c by a ai kha proof na relation between roots and coefficients for sum of the root and product of the roots etigel kha dalam changa formula application ti ale ki ha zat de hi then our relation of the roots of coefficients te kha kian hin tan chin huai te application de alpha beta tegel a roots of x square plus px plus q hitale waya kha ya value on pian chin ya value pen kha n p to q a express om de achile why dia kha bang chi dia hi chi le waya a formula a equation ong ki pe pen why pen a ki pata kha a coefficient te kha jong ma sak som de here x square plus px plus q equal to 0 here ya ki patina a coefficient te kha ilakhema sadiwa a value kha 1 hidin chin b value kha p hidin chin c value kha q achile here ya alpha to beta a root so changa then a sum of the roots product of the roots chi te loi why ya izil sa te kha ya jang tadi now sum of the roots formula alpha plus beta kha minus b by a ya hinchen achile n here ya b value de kha p kimu je ka minus p by a value kha 1 hi je ka 1 ko di hele minus p alpha plus beta value kha minus p ong hi de achile waidan dana kha product of the roots alpha into beta etigel value le dena formula imu nawa kha c by a hinchin c value kha ya atunga c value kha q a value kha 1 achile q by 1 value kha q swakta to a question in kha on pek alpha square beta plus alpha beta square hi etigel kha p to q dan na express de che n kha alpha plus beta value kha minus p muta alpha beta value kha q muta achile to hetigel zanga kha hi pen kha p to q so asak som ta di now number 1 alpha square beta plus alpha beta square ai pen kha direct express de ilele ya en leuchin alpha square beta chi cherkha he atunga khalo ya square khalo alpha beta square ya le beta kyanga square khalo wa je ka he tigel kha he atunga imu tigel kha so asak som te de why dia kha he tigel en leuchin kha alpha ya square chin ya alpha khatum common lag the ya beta khatum chin ya beta ni he tigel a common lag de ya alpha le common ya beta le common alpha beta common analog le bracket open di china he alpha beta la ka alpha khat to beta khat la khele chen alpha khat wal lai majo plus hele alpha khat to beta khat la khele chen beta khat wal lai de achile cha koita tuna he na gel te gelu atunga imu sa te to check non leo chin kha alpha beta value kha ya q to ki bangta wajeka substitute the alpha plus beta value kha ya na non wale minus p ana hin chen wajeka ya alpha plus beta ta minus p tun haitikel multiply leo chin minus pq achile equation in kha find the values of the following in terms of p and q che hi pen kha p and q ai I substitute cha minus pq ki muthai to hi dan dana kha waya roman number 2 na le hi de roman number 2 a alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha hi pen le kha p to q ma iswa saksom de dana dan ma kha alpha plus beta value izong khyak le minus p ki mudin chin alpha into beta izong le q ki muta to here ya equation on piak pinu hai pen kha simplify di hanga here tigel alpha plus beta ai kele alpha into beta here tigel khamu somte te de achili hai bang chi di ai chi le here tigel fraction hi kha onjin y zo hai atunga a value imu di tigel kha khat leom khalo y je ka LCM la ngai ya LCM la le chin alpha beta kha variables to y je ka hi cha gel khom ge di LCM dana achi le to LCM na lak changa ya beta to ya beta divide le chin kat khiak the alpha khat to alpha ni multiply le chin alpha cube mude y zo a second term pen non le chin here alpha to here alpha kat le chin beta val hai beta to here ya pen multiply le chin beta cube alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha beta to here ya namu chat penu kha here atung te to akibangam chi check de alpha into beta pen here ya alpha into beta hilele alpha plus beta pen kha here to ki banglo here cube here te gela cube mention here cube lo y je ka here pen kha I simplify ngai di formula janga kha here formula bangai zat di chi le formula khat a cube plus b cube here kha a plus b holding cube minus 3ab a plus b hai formula kha janga hai pen kha isuk saudi y tung to na kha hai alpha plus beta or alpha into beta hai ti gel khamu khyak som de achile hai pen kha he abana ya a ta nga kha he alpha ya b ta nga he beta achile hai a plus b le alpha plus beta cube a cube also minus hai formula jang non de 3 a ta nga kha alpha b ta nga beta y zo bracket alpha plus beta hai muta y zo anwai pen le alpha beta to na hai teng ya alpha beta chi teng kha ya atunga pen to en khom non leo chen alpha plus beta ya chet alpha into beta le ya khanon alpha plus beta cha kha vector to kha ya a value te p to q kha substitute vector de alpha plus beta kha minus p cube minus 3 alpha beta value kha q also alpha plus beta kha minus p divided by alpha beta value kha q to y zo hai pen khan ning kha solve sek de last step there minus p whole cube kha minus p cube ma hede minus manglo de y zo minus into minus kha plus y zo ga 3 p q divided by q to nia ya en leo chena question in p to q an na express di on chin to en kha ya x square plus px plus q pen kha ya izong zong hyak le a alpha square plus beta square by alpha ya teng kha ya alas pen kha pq plus 3pq by q square alpha to beta teng hong mangta ya question on solve dan kha kimu kha last step relation between roots and coefficient a last application dina here in India if one root of the equation 2x squared minus 5x plus k be reciprocal of the other roots ni ongom din chin roots te gel kha khat pian reciprocal kha khat pena hi de huchi hile value of k na song khyak bi hon che achile roots te gel kha relation nan neyo why je ka roots pen kha alpha beta wala se lo de alpha chau lak som de alpha hai pen root khathile if one root hita hai kha root khata hi de why zo abana na simwale be reciprocal of the other che reciprocal chi changa anwaya one umi che kile but le chi na achi le hai pen le but le chin alpha by 1 pen ile but le 1 by alpha hai te gel kha hai root si le khat pen a reciprocal. Let alpha and 1 by alpha be the root and its reciprocal. Ai chin gel dia wa hai a ki pat hai te gel jang ta hai te gel kha na assume tom hin chin wa ki pata kha hai value a hai equation a k na jong hiam dion chi achile tuna ya here I equation pen gel hedi china ha ki pata a value b value chi te jong henon de a value kha 2 b value kha -5 c value kha k hita achile and then sum of the roots ai kele product of the roots chi te gela kha ya om khate zat diran ngai to de k om na kha c to ki bang achile sum of the roots a kha hai te gel hai roots te gel plus bang hita le chen 1 by alpha achile sum of the roots a kha a formula kha minus b by a c value ki jang khalo ha k na pen kha c ya achile sum of the roots pen zat ngai se lo in chin product of the roots pen jang de ya product of the roots pen banga chile ya roots te gel kha multiply le chen now product of the roots are alpha into 1 by alpha ya roots te gel kha multiply de waya formula kha product of the roots is equal to c by a ma je ka ya gel de achile ya alpha to alpha kat leo chen ya 1 cha ongom de ya c value kha k hin chen why so here tunga a value kha 2 actually here the gel cross multiply leo chen therefore k is equal to 2 1 is 2 ya kha k value ki mo thai to hai equation om dung zo ya kha ya b om khang namun kho k om kha jen tale b by a minus b by a om de in chen product of the roots jang lo diu chena sum of the roots jang dai de hai k om na dung zo ya kha hai sum of the roots that de ya product of the roots that de ya chi kha hon ki thei de to equation a kha k hon ki pya k om na kha c om na to ki bang product of the roots a kha c by a cha kha hoi je ka hai pen chau ki jang he to alas na kha k value 2 na mu le hai pen answer he de he quadratic equation noya formation of quadratic equation non dia to ya kha amau kha equation on penon lo de un chen a roots te gel cha on pe dio roots te gel na thaya ki pata kha nang kha a quadratic equation pen non solve hyak de non jong hyak tak de he achile quadratic equation a kha a roots ai thei sa te kha alpha to beta why te gel ma janga kha a formula ya formation of quadratic equation formula dikha izong khema sadiwa why so che I application and non de achile a quadratic equation general formula kha ya ma izang dia let ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 be the required quadratic equation Hidden chen achile ini sate delamai hi sate kha alpha plus beta value why so alpha into beta value hai te gel kha ithei saw he alpha beta value kha minus b by a hin chen alpha into beta kha c by a hi te gel kha hi ya zat som te de achile hai izat thei na dia kha anwaya ya n leo chen ya a hele a hilele hai te fraction khat leom lo a anwai wa khat leom khalo bang chi hi de ai chi le hai te kha anwaya a I iva divide ngai le hoi maina hai teng kha answer dina hai get the let alpha and beta be the two roots hai te gel kha a roots u hitale alpha value sum of the roots alpha plus beta kha minus b by a and alpha into beta kha c by a hai ti gel kha he azat som te te di now dividing the equation by a kha divide ngai te te azia kha hai te nuaya a zia ka ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a equal to 0 by a ha 0 waina magel se lo di e to a kat thei achi le x square plus b by ax c by a equal to 0 tun hia n ta leu chen b by a kha ya minus na hidai ya plus c by a pen chu hia gel dan ban mu thei ta hai pen bang chi non di ai chi le x square hai plus pen kha hai minus dana so ngai bang chi so adi chi le plus kha minus ni multiply le plus so ka hi cha ka hai plus pen kha minus ni ba so sak di minus into minus b by a hi cha gel di china x plus c by a equal to 0 tunen leo chen ya minus b by a kha ya atunga alpha plus beta to substitute the ya c by a pen kha alpha beta to substitute the achile next na x square minus b by a tanga alpha plus beta x y zo c by a tanga alpha beta equal to 0 achile ya izo changa hai ti gel kha sum of the roots chi na to ki bangin chen hai pen kha product of the roots chi na to ki bang hai pen therefore x square minus sum of the roots plus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots hai kha equation in kha form the quadratic equation whose roots are cha a roots te I thei dian piak chang kha hai formula zangi ge leu chen kha a equation a quadratic equation kha ki mu gi ge de hi alpha to beta a roots te gel khana thei te ngayu a roots te gel na thei tung to no kha no kha a quadratic equation on form thei di equation ong pai di dan kha find a ke le a form chang pai de hi equation form the quadratic equation whose roots are roots niyon ki peta equation in kha quadratic equation form in on bolo on che dana formula izil khyak nawa kha quadratic equation izong khyak dek tenga formula thei dio wai pen kha ya zat pa ngai a roots te gel hayon pia in chin ha answer ni bang chi dai chi le the required quadratic equation will be of the form yai a formula pen khazat ngai de form x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots equal to 0 hai formula pen zanga kha hiai tigel tungto na a quadratic equation kha zong khyak som de achi le next na sum of the roots cha roots de anki petegel hai tigel kha plus de 3 plus root 3 by 2 plus 3 minus root 3 by 2 x plus product of the roots achi le a roots tigel kha multiply de 3 plus root 3 by 2 into 3 minus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. Tun hai tigel x square minus hai sunga tigel plus leng anwai tigel akibat le direct agel home thei plus 3 minus root 3 tun hai akibang lo tigel kat mangde plus hai tung tigel en non leo chen a plus b a minus b swak thei a plus b minus b formula kha a square minus b square anwai tigel 2 2s are 4 equal to 0 to next na x square minus 3 plus 3 kha 6 by 2 x plus 3 square hetigel kha 9 hidi in minus 3 by 4 equal to 0 to hetigel cut length 2 1 is 2 2 3s are 6 x square minus 3x plus 6 by 4 equal to 0 3 yai ta na kha ya denominator khatom kha hu cheom chang kha LCM lavek de hanga yai denominator teng kha khat lama kha transfer som de next step dina x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0 hi che kimu LCM de kha 2 hi ngai de chen 2 la leo chen ya yan wa 1 teng in hi divide leo chen 1 2 sir 2 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0 to ala sa kha therefore a required equation dekha 2x square plus 6x plus 3 equal to hai 2 pen hai 0 to cross multiply leo chen 2 0 is 0 to hai pen kha answer hi de amau kha roots te gelon pe diu no a roots tung to na kha hi cha quadratic equation non form diu hi answer quadratic equation application te laka what problems wai te yan suk non dia a first question kha the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural number is 61 find the numbers a quadratic equation zangai hi dek teng wa kha condition na et dio a condition ong ki pia pe na kha condition khat chau om le variable khat chau zat thei ni na zato le buai de wa je ka variable khat chau zat som te de achi le ya first na en le chin consecutive natural number ni ki somom de uche hi le a first de kha x bang la le chin a first natural number de x na lak le consecutive natural number abana di pen kha natural number te example khat gen joleng 1 2 3 cha khat apung achile ya 1 zo 1 na plus le 2 achile ya x pen zo annex natural number di kha x plus 1 wa je ka hi tigel kha consecutive natural number de lag de a khat pen thei lo ni cha x la di a khat pen kha aban zom di pen kha khata pung je ka x plus 1 la di hi le hi tigel kha a consecutive natural number di hit mai let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive natural numbers to hai teng na lag zo chang a kha hai a condition ong ki pia pen en tadi we have question ong ki pia en wala the sum of the squares ti hai tigil square diu china why zo chang a sum chi plus lai di why na plus chang a answer kha 61 on chi achile hai pen kha a mathematical form kha the sum of the squares is square koi di why zo akalwa plus om di to hai tigel a square tigel non plus chang a why number kha 61 pha hai kha question yon ge nai tuna x square plus hai tigel direct a plus thailo why zo hai sung pen kha formula za the a plus b holding square why janga kha hai pen kha hen nen di x square plus 2x a square plus 2ab why pen ki janga hi 2ab de kha 1 plus 1 square equal to 61 to hai teng hi zo changa ya like term som hi chi na jong wale x square hi khatom hi le khatom hoi ti gel 2x square plus 2x plus 1 square kha 1 equal to 61 to hai quadratic equation hai square na va mu ngi wale quadratic equation chi 9 chin why chiang a kha hiya equal to 0 na mu som te di na solve chiang wa 0 am ke le kha ki solve thei lo di why je ka hi number pen ya lama transfer ngai ta 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 61 equal to 0 ile 2x square plus 2x etiqually minus le minus 61 tam jok ja ka kha ama sign la di to hai teng na mu zo chang na here number ong ki peteng a coefficient te to here constant term pen kha a number khatin a kap thei le wa ya kap vek di 1 is 230 ache le here ya aval teng gel kheta di x square plus x minus 30 equal to 0 to hai namu zo chang a question in solve they find the numbers a number te zongon che chang a x te zong ngai x te zong na de kha hai pen kha anuam pen ni kha splitting the middle term pen factorization method why pen jang leng kha answer ki mu pa de hi na x square plus ya alai pen kha split de jagam bracket ko dia ala sa sign pen kha ya sunga jangi ge de to ai cha ko de why zo chang a here number to here ya coefficient hai tigel kha multiply gi ge de here 130 is a 30 here pen prime factorize leuchin 2 15 3 5 are 15 to he tigel kha group ni swa di china na minus chang a kha he ama 1 o mai chang a 1 na mu som de achi le 3 2 are 6 ya 5 6 to 5 minus le kha 1 why je kai he tigel zanga kha 1 pen kha 6 to 5 ang ki split ta to next step a bracket te open de 6x minus 5x minus 30 equal to 0 to term li na mu changa kha ni nia phel kham non di china hai te gela common de zong le chen x common ta x khat wal plus ya x la khat la khele chen 6 wal ta alaya sign pe ne copy ge de tun he number na zat chet pe no aya gel de to yan ma number di banga chi le he tigel compare diu china here x om in chen hele x om a khalo pen 5 yai pen ya gel gi leo chen dik gi ge di to adik le adik lo na check no pole 5 into x 5x 5 6 are 30 adik to kha here ya bracket sunga tigel he mun khata la khe hom de why zo bracket sunga khalo tigel to am lag de achi le to kha either x plus 6 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0 hai te gela ki pata kha x value zong khyak som de plus 6 ela ma transfer le chin minus 6 mu de hile na question un kha natural number te la ka minus som kha theilo ma je hai pen kha neglect de jang lo de achile khat pen kha x equal to minus 5 na transfer wale kha plus 5 so agde achile hai 5 pen kha natural number ana hi kha in chen why je ka hi pen kha zat thei hele question in kha ni find the numbers ni a number tigel zongon che n x ki mupan he x khat ki muta x plus 1 ki munai lo why x plus 1 di pen kha now x plus 1 is equal to x tang kha 5 la de 5 plus 1 equal to 6 achile a value kha the two natural numbers are 5 and 6 why ka final answer ide therefore the numbers are 5 and 6 what problem a second nadina a sum of rupees 200 lent out at compound interest compounded annually amounts to rupees 220.50 in 2 years. What is the rate of interest? Haya kha nang sum zani nei di china why pen kha compound interest why pen a pe khele chin kum khat zo nunga kha kumni zo nunga kha rupees 220.50 yai za khana pungde achile question in dot kha a rate of interest bangza pha hunche n kha yai ki theilo a rate ki theilo ai a rate ki theilo pin kha a value dina x percent la dia let x percent be the rate of interest hay compound interest akizat zaka kha a formula te ngai a formula theilo kha solve theilo compound interest formula kha a amount kha a equal to p hay pe kha principal bracket 1 plus rate by 100 to the power time hay pen kha a time hay pen kha izat ke le kha answer de ki mu thei lo de achile hay a sum of a ki pen kha a principal hidin chen ya amounts to a ki pen kha a hidin chen in how many years achile 2 hay pen kha a time hide achile hay formula why formula on ki pe pen jang leng kha hay x a rate dia hong ki gal pen kha ki mu thei de we know that amount is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100 to the power t. Actually, amount yet le 220.50 hinchin a principal kha 200 1 plus a rate there kha x ki jang hinchin x by 100 a time de kha 2 achile toa hetigeli solve dek changa kha ya multiply omi changa multiply pen I transfer le divide swag de inchin equal to 1 plus x by 100 square tuna ya square om zeka ya lam tigel kha perfect square swa som de perfect square iswa theina dia ya 200 kha perfect square hello 220.50 le perfect square hello wa zeka hai ningkha I solve ngai di point la khema sadia point kha aum lo na lam lama 0 a digit za be lab ge leo chen point za digit niom le 0 ni be lab di tun ha 0 to 0 kat the wa zo ya dang te le 5 a kat the 5 4s are 20 5 4s are 20 5 1 is 5 wa zo I think cut le 5 4s are 20 0 0 ya lam pen kha ichi mai gel phot nai lai tuna ya nana chi dana kha ya square om je ka heti gel kha bang square hit kha wa chi I thei ngai ya cube om zen le hete cube form a I ngai a chi le 441 kha bang square a chi le ya square root zong dan pena zong le chen ni tigel pair de 2 2s are 4 wa zo ya a double pen ya la de 41 la le chen 1 1 141 is 41 wa je ka answer de kha 21 square ai pen kha 21 hidin chen 400 kha 20 square ai pen chu thei sai chen kun koi da ya square equal to 1 plus x by 100 square to ai tigel square tigel kha kat the chin kat leo chen to ya a power te om non lo in chen ya LCM la dihanga wa ki pata kha x value kha no manwa ma ki mu thei dia hi next step a 21 by 20 equal to LCM la ngal le chen 100 plus x wa zo cross multiply leng kha oi maya hetigel kat de 0 to 0 2 1 is 2 2 5 are 10 le kha answer ki mu bai jodi tun cross multiply ta le chen 5 was 100 plus x tuna x value zong le chen kha 105 minus 100 therefore x equal to 5 a question in on dot kha find what is the rate of interest a rate of interest the x and ki jang chen ya x ka 5 ki mu therefore the rate of interest is 5% ai kha answer de hi